In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find credit notes in Xero. Whether you're running a small business or managing the finances of a larger company, understanding how to navigate through Xero to locate your credit notes is crucial for maintaining accurate records and ensuring your accounting is up to date. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. This is where you'll see a comprehensive view of your business's financial status at a glance, providing an overview that can help you keep track of your overall financial health. However, today's focus is on locating credit notes, so let's dive into that. Look for the Business tab in the navigation menu. Consider this your gateway to various business-related sections. It leads you to areas such as invoices, bills, expenses, and more. Click on Business, and you'll reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, an option labeled Invoices will appear. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so takes you to a section where all your invoices are neatly organized, including those you've issued and received. Here, you'll encounter summaries, status updates, and other relevant details about each invoice. But this is where a keen eye comes in handy. Among these details, you'll notice a column labeled Status. This is quite important as it shows the current state of each invoice, including whether it's been paid, is due, or notably, whether it's a credit note. To narrow down your search to only include credit notes, you'll want to pay special attention to the Status column. Look for any entries that are marked specifically as a credit note. These marks indicate what you're specifically interested in. Once you've identified an invoice that has a credit note attached to it, it's time to delve deeper into the details. Click on the status of that specific invoice. This may seem like a subtle step, but it's crucial as it brings you closer to viewing the specific details of your credit note. Upon clicking the status, you will be redirected to a more detailed page that contains all the pertinent information about that particular invoice, including the credit note. Here's a pro tip. Xero's interface is designed to present information cleanly and intuitively, so navigating through these details should be straightforward. The final step in our process today involves clicking on the Preview option. This is where you get to view the credit note in full detail. Previewing the credit note allows you to review the details, ensuring everything is accurate and aligns with your records. Should there be discrepancies, or if adjustments are necessary, knowing how to find these credit notes is your first step towards rectification. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to locate credit notes in Xero. Remember, keeping track of credit notes is essential for accurate financial reporting and reconciliation. It ensures you have a clear picture of your business's financial health, especially in terms of receivables and payables. I hope this video has been helpful. Navigating Xero and making the most of its features can significantly streamline your accounting processes. Mastering these little tricks and tips can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content designed to help you.